Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I got this cute little easy style that y'all may have seen over on my Instagram. I posted this picture and a lot of you guys asked for a tutorial, but little did y'all know I already had one recorded. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I did and the products that I used that really actually blew me away. So yeah, stay tuned. But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back for another video. So you guys know, well, if you're not subscribed, you should be subscribed so you can know this. Okay, if you guys have watched my previous videos, I have kind of used some Afro Sheen here and there. I have a whole video that was just dedicated to one product. I'm super excited to dive in and show you guys how I'm gonna create this unique, kind of cute style or whatever. Alright. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and create our style. You guys know I'm super basic with my hairstyles. I just wear a wash and go or a back in a ponytail, and that's about it. So this style was definitely out of my comfort zone, but it was fun to create. So all you're gonna do is create the front section, your width to your liking. I know my head shape, I'm very familiar, so I didn't want to go too far back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get that out the way. You can make your parts straight or however you would like them. It's your preference. I aimed for a more straighter part because I was wearing my hair back into a ponytail in the picture that you guys saw. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get to it. I chose to use all Afro Sheen products. It's not sponsored, just want to use them. This is one of my favorite, y'all. Velvet Flow 4-in-1 leave-in. Love this stuff. It's honestly become a staple of mine. I use it all the time. I use it on my husband. I use it on my daughter. It's just that leave-in for me. I don't know what else to say. I just really like it. Okay, so the crown defining curl cream, y'all, I just chose this because I had it with me. And it is getting a little bit colder out where I live. I live in LA and it's about 60 degrees, which is cold for us. Okay,
help me.
So this provides really good moisture. I think this would be great for those who love creams to define their hair. I feel like it would give you a lot of definition because look at the definition and shine that it was giving me. Okay, but can we talk about this? Can put it back on the screen one more time. Okay, can we talk about the textured setting cream gel, y'all? Oh my god, y'all know I'm hard to please, but this stuff right here, oh, amazing. Would I repurchase again? Absolutely. Okay, it's very affordable. I think it's like $6, $7. Y'all, look at my face. Like, my face says it all. Oh, I love this textured cream gel. Look. Y'all, like, I don't know. Jesus and the discipline. I think that's what it is. Moses, baby, Yolanda Adams. I don't know, okay? But I love this stuff. I just didn't think that it was really going to give me some good results because it's a cream styling or setting gel. Y'all, but it's so bomb. It's just, I just love Afro Sheen's line. I mean, I just got to be honest. I just like it. So it was weighing my hair down, giving me shine. It's affordable. It smells good. The consistency is great. And I used this either before this. I'm not sure if I did it before this video or after. I used it by itself with no cream. And it was just as great. So yeah, y'all, I love it. Let me know if you tried it down below. Works great. I do have to shingle with it though. I find that I get better results when I shingle. But look at my hair, y'all. It just looks hydrated, doesn't it? Don't it?
See, look like that lets me further know.
Because it was. Okay. So there's a little cute transition. Hello, how you doing? So now we're going to go ahead and pin that back. Now, let's get to the fun part. Okay. What I did was I created like a middle portion and I kind of used like the corners of my eyes to give me like a guide. But listen, I did this according to my head shape. So do however many braids you want to do. I just wanted only 2. But yeah, I think it would look cute with multiple braids. Anyway, I must have did this off camera because y'all, I filmed this about a month ago. So Anywho, so I'm just braiding it and then braiding it all the way down. This is really your preference. I kind of wanted, it to go all the way down. Then of course, self-explanatory, I am doing the same thing on the other side. So I just created 2 braids. I'm only using Afro Sheen products, but I would recommend doing or using an edge control for a more sleeker look. It was sleek, but it could have been sleeker, you know what I'm saying? But there we go. Boom, bam. All right. All right, so I wanted to complete one side off camera so I can make sure that it came out all right, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to show you, I'm going to show you how to do what I did. Super simple, y'all. I really wanted it to kind of mimic like a French braid, but I wanted the parts to be more pronounced. And I knew that I would need to have some type of tension. Of course, not too much, but I knew I would need to make sections in order for it to kind of look how I wanted it to look. So you can do whatever you want, but just showing you guys exactly obviously what I did. So the products have so much slip to them that I didn't find the need to have to oil my rubber bands. But if that makes you feel better, go ahead, by all means, sis. It's your hair, protect it. But all I'm doing is creating 4 different sections. And again, I'm not using any edge control, but I would recommend doing it if you plan to recreate this style and whatnot. So I'm taking the cream and the gel. Honestly, y'all, you don't need both, but if you do want that extra hydration, definitely use both. It's really up to you. The Velvet Fluid 4-in-1 is really good at providing a lot of moisture, at least for my hair. So you really don't need all 3, but I was just being greedy. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the easy style. I am just separating and then skipping over the neck section and putting that section into the one that is next to the one that I skipped.
What?
I know y'all gonna get it. This is not hard. It's just my explanation. So here we go again. I'm taking the section that we skipped and I'm splitting that. All right. And I'm gonna add a little bit more product. Because I like for myself to be sleek. And then I am skipping over that section we already did into the next section. And then there's that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my rubber band, of course, and secure that. So that's all you're doing. And the reason why I did this was because I wanted to kind of look like a braid in a sense. And in my head, this made sense. So you can kind of see how it's like a little weave, type of pattern going on. I thought it was cute in my head. You know what I mean? I definitely think it could be cuter if you had 2 sections doing that, or just, but my head shape, it just, yeah. Anyway, so we're using these little beads. I like the little rings instead of the like, what do you call them? Like a little clasp people usually wear. But it's whatever you want to do. I just, I'm grown with bills and I just don't like that look on me. I felt like this was already more of like a more, youthful type of style. So it's whatever you want to do. But y'all, I didn't diffuse my hair. I just literally am doing what you guys are seeing. And I have no frizz. Like, look, y'all. Anyway, the gel is just bomb. But so we're gonna move on to the Glow Up Shine spray. I love this because it's just very reminiscent to me of like the old school Sheen that we used to use, or maybe even still use. The thing is, you don't need a lot. It provides so much shine, like, oh my gosh. Yeah, y'all, and I just picked it out, and the reason why I did was because this gel kind of gives you like a weighed down feeling, nothing like greasy or anything like that. It's very hard to explain. I think it's just like the moisturizing properties in it. I'm not really sure, y'all, but I loved it. It doesn't give you frizz like it. Y'all know I'm frizz prone in that area, and my hair just felt so good. But I knew I wanted to wear my hair back into a ponytail after kind of playing with it, so I did kind of try to fluff it out a little bit. So right here I'm just kind of playing with it. I decided to go ahead and crisscross it over. It's really how you want to do it. If you do want to recreate this, I did end up wearing it behind my ears because I felt like I was doing a lot with the braids in my face. I don't know. But anyway, this is how my hair is looking down. I turned around, but y'all, I didn't know the camera obviously was out of focus, so at least I tried to slow it down just a little bit so you guys could see the back of my hair. But I had a ton of movement. My hair was very, very moisturized. I just really enjoyed this gel. Like, I didn't get any frizz, and the frizz that I did get, it just gave you that cute frizz, like that natural looking frizz. Oh, that makes sense.
No.
Wait, look. This is how my hair looked in the picture. So all I did, super simple, which I preferred this look on me, was because I really wanted a voluminous, long-looking ponytail, but using my hair. All I did was take one of my favorite scrunchies that I get from the beauty supply store and wrapped it around one time, but I just kind of brought the band a little bit forward to the front of my head so that it creates this long-looking ponytail, quote unquote. And I loved it. And the gel helped also with giving me kind of like the weight to my hair. So I was able to create this look. I loved it, y'all. I preferred it this way. I do have a confession though. I ended up putting the braids behind my ears and I ended up taking the rings out. I'm being honest, okay? It was a bit much for me. Y'all know I'm basic and I'm simple with my hair, and it was a lot. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you were able to follow along. It was pretty simple. If you do recreate this look, please let me know. Show me. I would like to see. Thank y'all so much for requesting this, and I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.